Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Amanda the Adventurer on your iPhone. So this is actually very easy. You just need to go to the App Store and then tap on the search icon on the right bottom of your screen and then search for Amanda the Adventurer. It already pops up and the first game that you see is an ad, so don't click on that. And there are also a lot of other lookalike apps or games, but you don't need to click on that. You need to click on Amanda Adventure Evil Tape. So on the first non-ad game, as you can see, you can preview the images, and this is the game. So you just need to tap on this download button, and this will download the game. So yeah, it's completely free. It's very easy, and this is very nice. That you don't need to download an app from the web, which is quite scammy and stuff, but just from the App Store, which is relatively safe. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.